The fourth generation Changan CS75 PLUS. In terms of appearance, it has a completely different style, young and sporty. Unlike the previous three-generation models, which all had a wheelbase of 2,710 mm, the wheelbase of this replacement model has been extended by 90 mm to 2,800 mm, and its length, width and height have reached 4770/1910/1695, 1705 mm. The width and height of the current CS75 PLUS are 4710/1865/1710 mm respectively. In addition to the slight reduction in body height, the body length and width have also been significantly increased, providing more seating space for passengers. If you look closely, you can see that UNI-T's design language has been transferred to the fourth generation Changan CS75 PLUS, especially the iconic frameless grille. The headlights are all LED daytime running lights and split headlights. Energy crystals. The solid type taillight set reflects the headlight set, and the afterlighting effect is cool and technological. The changes in the interior are also quite big. It uses a lot of Napa textured leather materials, faux suede and wood grain veneers to strengthen the overall texture of the center console at the front. The cabin is equipped with a 10.25-inch LCD display plus impressive triple screen consisting of a 14.6-inch central control display plus 12.3-inch passenger display, supporting functions such as AI large models and mobile phone-free interconnection, forming a relatively strong technological environment. In addition, the new car is also equipped with a new double-spoke multifunction steering wheel, zero-gravity queen seat for the front passenger, electronic pocket equipment, wireless charging for mobile phones and other configurations. In terms of intelligent driving, it is equipped with L2-level intelligent cruise control system as standard, which integrates 11 intelligent driving functions such as intelligent speed assistant, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistant and APA 5.0 valet parking plus parking space. Memory assistant supports one-touch parking inside and outside the vehicle, 50-meter reverse tracking, parking space memory assistant and other functions. In terms of power, the fourth generation Changan CS75 PLUS is equipped with the new Blue Whale Power 1.5T engine with a maximum power of 141 kilowatts, 192 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 310 Nm. With the Eisen 8 at transmission, the acceleration time from 0 to 100 km is 7.9 seconds, and the WLTC comprehensive fuel consumption is 6.89 L/100 km.